Today we are going to discuss about a couple of exercises that you can do for the hand and the leg when you just get stroke, and like if your stroke is if you are medically stable and you got discharged from the hospital and you're seeking for physiotherapy, and some couple of exercises that you can start to improve the movements of the hands. Hi, my name is Athira. I'm a senior physiotherapist working in PRS Neurosciences. So the first exercise that we can do for the hand is, so usually we in PRS we believe that the movements has to start from the proximal, that means from the shoulder, and first the movements in the shoulder, then elbow, then later wrist, and then the fingers. That's how the movements will start to regain it. So the first exercises that we have to do for the shoulder is, you have to hold the hand like this. So if you're thinking that your right hand is affected, with your left hand you support your right hand like this and you have to hold it. So this will help to reduce the subluxation. The initial time when a person gets stroke, there is a high chances for subluxation because of the tone of the muscles of the hand will be less. So the more you keep it without support, the shoulder can come down and there will be pain and movement difficulties on the affected hand. So the first exercise that you can do every time when you are sitting, when you are traveling, when you are lying, apart from lying down, whenever you are sitting straight, the first thing, you have to hold your unaffected hand and you have to hold the affected hand like this. The first thing is to initiate the shoulder shrugging, that we call this. So this is the movement first that you have to start it. You can do for so all the exercises that you do more, the movement will register in the brain faster. So if you can do 1000 times, that maximum that you can do. So this is the first one. Second one is that bringing the shoulder blade, this one, to the back like this. So this has to happen. And the third one is that bringing the same thing to the forward. So you have to do. This is the third exercise. And the fourth exercise for the just for the shoulder and for the trunk, for the abdominal muscles, the trunk muscles. So you have to hold it, sit straight in the chair, and what you have to do, you have to hold it, you have to bring it to the opposite. And the next exercise is that, again, you can do, if you are crossing, the same way you starting exercises that you can do in sitting position for the hand. And for the leg, these are the exercises. So I am telling that now the affected leg is the right side leg. So what you have to do is, you have to bend both the legs first. This is one exercise that you can do. Start with it. This is the first exercise. The second exercise is bridging. Full weight on the leg and lift your pelvis or your hip. Once you are able to do this, the next thing, full weight on one leg and you have to do this. So first you can do it on the unaffected leg and then you can do it on the affected leg. So full weight on the affected leg, lift. The next exercise is for the affected leg, that means the right leg, but you can do it on the side. Bring it onto the side, take it front, side, to bring it out. The next exercise is making it Lift it straight. How to lift it straight.